Look, my bitch is all bad, my niggas all real. I ride in dick in some big tall hills, big.
What's up, Bronx baby bees? I'm just doing a quick tutorial on how to do a sleek bun on short hair. Now, guys, I know it look like I have long hair, but I really don't. It really can't even go into a bun itself. So, yeah. Alright, you guys, try to get yourself a wide teeth comb. That's one thing you're gonna need, and try to comb out your hair as best as you can to get it, untangled. Alright, next, you guys, you're gonna need like an Eco Styling gel, any type of gel really, but I like to use the Eco Styling gel. I don't like using the green one preferably. I usually use the pink one. Now, these are everything that you may need. Not necessarily you're going to use it. I don't even use the tail comb. That comb you will need. You will need a brush, of course, yeah. I like to use 2 different kinds. And the black edge control is optional. That's if you ain't got no edges, girl. Now what I do is I take some of the gel, put it on the edge of it. I don't really put it necessarily all over my head. I kind of just work it in there. I comb it up or brush it up. I don't put it all over the hair. Alright, now you guys, this is how I start working it up. I don't really use a brush. I just use my hands to work it up, and I use a toothbrush for my edges, so you're gonna see how I work it, get my edges fleeked up. But first I'm gonna use my regular brush and just brush it to get it straighter at the edges, if that makes sense. Now guys, if you see me walk away, I'm sorry. It's because I have a 3-month-old daughter that's kind of needy, so that's what happened when you see me walk away. But I gotta go check on her, Now you guys, what I'm doing is using my other hard brush to swoop my edges kind of to my liking before I use my toothbrush. But this is how I really get my edges how I like it, is using this hard brush. Now I take some more of the Eco Styling gel and put it on the edges that I just swooped a little bit, just to give it some more to hold it. Alright, next you guys, you're going to need a scrunchie to put it up. Hey. What y'all know about this? Biggie Smalls in the field. Brush that hair up in the back, yeah. Don't forget about the fun. Get it. Hey. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let me leave y'all. Alright, now you guys, I was looking for my piece of hair that I put on top. It's curly, it's not really a bun, but I like it. It's lovely. It's been taking me this far, as you can see. It's kind of worn out, but I'm still gonna rock it. I don't care, it's my favorite. That's all I pretty much wear. It's like a protective hairstyle is what it is. I'm liking it, Now you guys, all I'm doing is just getting out the bobby pins that I used previously out of the hair. I don't know why I didn't take it out, but that's what I'm doing right now. Now I typically use about 8 bobby pins, 2 in the front, 2 at the sides. 4 at the sides and 2 in the back. Now when I put it on, I just put it on, with the 2 little things that clip onto the sides. I wrap that little piece around and tuck it in the back. And that's pretty much it. You don't even have to use the bobby pins, but I like to use the bobby pins because it makes it look a little bit more natural. Now, y'all, as I was, zooming in to let y'all see, look at my face. Look at my face. Resting bitch face, I call that. I'm just putting in the bobby pins, y'all. And checking as I go. I fluff it in the back. You see that bobby pin right there? On the left? Yeah, I'm gonna fix it. So I just pull the hair and it's gone. I didn't even see it, to be honest, but I always do that and cover that up. So it looks very natural. And yes, I left my toilet paper off the rack. I'm not the only one that does it. Alright, now I'll take my toothbrush and just go over it as it already is, but just make it a little bit better with the swoops, I guess. You see? And that's all I'm really doing. It's pretty much done. Everything else is self-explanatory right now, so this is pretty much the finished product. Now, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Yeah, now your girl here looking real nice, real good. I'm very proud of it. I'm liking the outcome of it, like I always do. It's like my everyday go-to hair. See, this black gel is for if you ain't got no edges, but I got edges, so I'm good. For real. Like I said, thanks again, Bronx Baby Bees. That's what I'm gonna call y'all. Appreciate it. Bye.